Well, this is new. I mean, not new, it's old, but it's new that I'm doing a video because I haven't done one since a million years ago. I just watched your video, I know. I forgot what I was going to say about anything ever. It's warm here also. And wait, 30 degrees Fahrenheit is not warm, right? That's cold. Isn't that cold? I don't have a... This chair is like a bowl, so I'm falling in it. It's like 85 degrees here right now. I got a bird. I know Emily knows that, but you didn't, right? Right? Maybe you did know. I don't know. Nothing is really new with me. I dyed my hair brown. But that's cute. I'm shaving it off tomorrow for this thing called St. Baldrick's, which is a pediatric cancer fundraiser. So then I'll be bald next time you see me. Hopefully I don't look really, really hideous and look like Voldemort, because that's what I'm picturing right now. I don't know what to talk about, really. Hopefully I can go to Oregon in the summer when Ino goes down so we can have a little powwow. Because that would be fun. Ah! Why are you freaking out, bird? Come here. Oh, she fell off her stand. Say, hello, Ino. She looks scary. Why are you so crazy? Go over there. Hello? Can you please get off me? Nope? Okay. Well then. Hopefully I can go to Oregon when Anna goes. That'd be cool. We should probably all catch up because she's falling. Look what I have to deal with. What the heck? What are you doing? Can you please sit up? Like a normal person? Normal bird? Okay. This video is long and pointless. Wow. So, well, at least I made a video, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect. I tried. Yep. So, bye!